Let's shift over to Alabama Senator Mr. Tommy Tuberville. Senator Tuberville, welcome. You may have heard some of that discussion with Newt Gingrich. Everything lost on the floor of the Senate today. Okay, fine. Do you think, seriously, you think something's going to pass before January 30th or whenever the continuing resolution? I'm not even thinking just about Obamacare. I'm thinking about the whole continuing resolution that's supposedly financing the government for basically another month and a half. What do you think? Or do the Democrats want another shutdown, Senator Tuberville?
Larry, they want another shutdown. They want to blame Republicans for everything up here. And that was a great discussion on health care. We all know that the Democrats destroyed our health care system. Obamacare has been a disaster for 15 years. But guess what? We haven't fixed it, and we got control. Now's the time for us to do something. We floated a bill up there today. It didn't pass. We knew it wouldn't pass, but now's the time to get down to nuts and bolts because we have to help the American people. We're not voting for the Senate up here. We're voting for the American people. We're a sick country. We've got millions and millions of illegals here that are mooching off the taxpayers through healthcare systems. We can't afford it. That's where we need to start. Be healthy. Run these illegals out, and at the end of the day, we might be able to afford some of these subsidies. But Larry, we don't have any money. We're dead broke.
Senator, I want it to go the other way. See, self-deportation is running at a record high. Almost 2 million self-deportations. It's becoming my favorite number in the whole discussion. I mean, Donald Trump sneezed, and the border was shut. That's it, no more. Now they're going home, right? So that's a good thing. What I'm saying is, with Newt, and I think this is so important, give the individuals choice. Give the money to them and let them pick their health account and their insurance. And meanwhile, HSAs are for the kids, the newborns. You turn them into capitalists. You'll show them how the system really works. Guys like Michael Dell, he deserves a Medal of Freedom or something for giving he and his wife $6.5 billion to finance this thing. I'll bet you other people will come forward too. That's a wonderful thing. Some Republicans are voting against HSAs on the floor today. I think that's very bad, Senator Tuberville, very bad.
Well, you're exactly right. HSAs are very good. As you said, capitalism is what we need to get back to.
Yeah.
But you talked about the immigration, and there's been a couple million people self-deport. We're going to need a lot more than that because we are leaking oil, Larry, really bad. But we're going in the right direction. Thank God for President Trump. But again, there's a lot of things we can do. Insurance companies, as you said, you and the speaker just talked about, they're making a fortune, Larry. They're making an absolute fortune, and we got to put their skin in the game, but we need to help the taxpayers, and if we're going to give any subsidies, let's give it to the taxpayers. Let's don't give it to insurance companies.
I got another little nugget for you, Senator Tuberville. 10,000 truckers who failed their English speaking test have been booted off the road, finally. Failed speaking English, 10,000 of them. You know, we've had fatal accidents because they don't have a damn license. And they don't have a license because they don't speak English or because they're illegals and they're getting illegal licenses now. This is something we should keep an eye on, isn't it?
Oh, big time. California was really out of control. Newsom's state was giving out these CDL licenses right and left. People have been killed. In my state of Alabama, we've had people not just killed, they were slaughtered at red lights. They can't read the signs. When you can't communicate, you shouldn't be driving one of these things. These things are weapons on the road, and you have to be able to control them. So when you give out all these licenses like they did in California, it just puts people in harm's way.
One last one. Speaking of California, my favorite state, ha, ha, ha. Senator Tuberville, I didn't hear this, but I heard through the grapevine that you were bragging that Fannie Mae, the government housing finance, is moving from California to Alabama. And the only thing I'll say to you, sir, is, are you sure? They have a very mixed history, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac.
Well, they're closing the one down in San Francisco. It is moving to Birmingham, Alabama. We're looking forward to it. We want to make sure it's done the right way. Obviously, it brings a lot of money, a lot of jobs, but the employees today in California were told they were out of a job, and now it will be moving to Birmingham. But again, President Trump's trying to do everything to get anything government-wise out of these blue states that are absolutely running our country. So we'll do the best we can to get it all straight.
All right, terrific stuff. Thank you, Senator Tommy Tuberville. We appreciate it very, very much.